What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 3 daily. We at the last level of resistance before potentially having a leg up to $28,000 or even $30,000 in the next coming days if we were to have this successful breakout. We're going to analyze the situation on Bitcoin on the 4 hourly, explaining why we could have that big massive leg up here to that $28,000 range. We're also going to zoom in on the 4 hourly chart, the 1 hourly, the 5-minute chart, and show you some potential scalping opportunities that could happen and that have also happened here for the last couple of days, guys. And we're also going to take a look at Ethereum, also analyzing the situation. We're potentially going to go to 2,000 and 2,200 in the next coming days if Bitcoin does manage to break this last major resistance level. So make sure to stay tuned in this episode. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily TA on Bitcoin, crypto, and I also do live streams to connect with the community. I'm not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in here straight into the 3 daily chart on Bitcoin, because what I want to do here is zoom out, of course, and take a look at the price action, okay, from late 2020, 2021, and 2022. As you can see right over here, we are at the last major resistance zone at the 24.5. We've just hitting 24.6, 24.7. No successful breakout just yet. These can be fake outs and we can roll over from this range. But if we do have that breakout in the next coming days, well above 24.5, I just want to show you here the price action in between 24.5 and round about $28,000 has been very, very fast, as you can see here back in December of 2020. Also here in May of 2022 and June, we had very fast price action. And you can see here on the volume profile, we've left a gap with absolutely no volume. We're currently at the value area high from this big massive spike, hitting 24.5 now for the last couple of weeks, just hitting it and getting rejected, hitting it and getting rejected. So if we do manage to break above this range with some volume, guys, it is likely that we are going to move very fast in potentially just a few days all the way up to around about that $28,000, $30,000, because we do not have any volume in between this range. Now, let me just go quickly here to the 4 hourly chart and explain that this is actually looking pretty bullish. One of the main reasons why is because we are in a very strong local uptrend for the last few weeks, creating consistent higher lows and hitting here the major resistance of the 24.5k range here, as you can see. So we need to see that successful breakout with a large amount of volume to know that it is very likely that we're going to move pretty fast all the way up here to the next volume range. If we take a look here at the volume profile, okay, for the last several months, we can see that we've left a massive big gap in between this 24.5 and the $29,000 range. As you can see, very fast price action to the downside, and we can move as fast as soon as we break the value area high here from the volume profiles. It's going to be very, very interesting the next coming days how we are going to try and break this zone. Is it going to be fake outs and we're going to have low volume and we're going to roll back down, or are we going to finally manage to break out with large amount of volume? And this is likely going to give us a free ticket all the way up here to $28,000 range, or even slightly above this level in just a matter of days, guys. It's going to be very exciting to see what happens if we are going to manage to have that breakout. Now let's analyze the situation here and see what's happened here the last 2 days, 1 to 2 days in between yesterday when we finished the live stream. We did have the CPI news, okay, being inflation at 8.5%. And now we can see that we have a little bit of more price action to the upside since that event. I just want to show you here on the 1 hourly, okay? We can go as, we can even go to the 15-minute, because yesterday's live stream was right over here and we've had this price action. So if we go to the 15-minute chart, we can clearly see that we did actually hit that 4 hourly level, all right? Let me just zoom out a little bit. This is a 4 hourly level here from the 20th of July. As you can see on the chart, it was a very important level right there, getting very much respected, having this big fake out with no volume and coming back down, and then finally getting that rejection here once we had that fake out. So what happened the last few days? We actually hit that level again, got rejection. After the CPI news, we also hit that level, got rejected, and then got rejected again. But finally, we did get the breakout, as you can see here on the chart. As soon as we got that successful breakout here, as you can see, we did get a quick bounce, okay, from that level to retest the highs. So that was a quick trade right there, quick little scalp day trade, you know, getting that breakout from the highs of this range and getting just that perfect bounce to retest the highs. Now, what I want to show you here, if you zoom in on the 5-minute chart, you know, if you're looking for those scalping opportunities with volume, you can clearly see here on the 5-minute chart, the CPI news right there with a massive amount of volume getting rejected on the 4-hourly. Here you can see it perfectly for that potential scalp, right? Getting that bounce from the high level range, as you can see here on the chart. You did have that breakout with some decent volume. So it was a potential quick little day trade all the way up here to the highs. Now, what is happening on the chart right now? We are seeing some kind of exhaustion, some kind of a swing failure pattern here from the highs that we did create, all right, just a few hours ago above the $24,640, as you can see here on the chart. Now, I just want to show you these major scalping opportunities so you can train your eye and take advantage of these opportunities. As you can see, pretty simple. You break resistance, you turn it into support right there. You create these highs, you break the resistance, you got some pretty nice volume. You got more volume than average here on the breakout here, as you can see, getting that bounce from this support level and retesting the highs, as you can see on the chart. Now, what has happened? You created a kind of a double top here on the 2-hourly chart, right? A double top scenario. So you have a successful breakdown from this major resistance support level, as you can see, with large volume. And we've been talking about this for the last few days and even couple of weeks, you know, trading the shorter time frames, looking for those scalp day trading opportunities on the 5 and 15-minute chart, looking at price action and volume. So we had that breakdown from the last higher low, which is this one. What has happened here on the price action? We get rejected from this resistance level, from the support, turning into resistance and coming all the way down almost to retest the lows here, as you can see on the chart. So there are some major scalping opportunities, as you can see here. What is currently happening is that we are creating a double bottom and we are trying to break this resistance level. It is very likely that if we have that successful breakout, it will be turning quickly into support if it were to be retested to potentially claim the highs again. Now, stay very cautious. These strategies are very, very quick because you can actually create another double top or another lower high and come back down. They are quick trading opportunities, as you can see here. You get in, you get out, you get in right there, and you get out here near to the lows. Now we're going through the sponsored segment of this video. We're talking about Magix trading platform, a platform that has been going on for quite some time. We're going to go through the features and the bonuses. It has a combined liquidity of plus 12 exchanges in one place, so it has plenty of liquidity, a bank grade multi-layer security, so it is extremely secure, and no personal details are required, no KYC. You can start with just an email and a password in less than 2 minutes. If you sign up with the link in the description, you can get $50 bonus to pay trading fees, and also if you deposit 0.004 BTC, which is around about $200, to get an additional $50 on top of that to trade with. Once you sign up, this is going to take you to this interface right over here. You have the trading platform, as you can see from TradingView. On the left is where you're going to place your orders, limit order, market order, here the percentage of your capital, and here the leverage. You can use cross margin leverage or isolated here with X's, as you can see, 20x, 40x. Here to buy and sell, very easy, similar to other ones. Down here, your order positions, position history, and at the right, the order book, as you can see. Now, to make your deposit here, you can click on this tab. You've got 5 tabs here on the top, super easy friendly. Click on the wallet, and to make your deposit or withdraw, okay, you can buy also with Visa and MasterCard. To click with your deposit, here you will have your address, as you can see. You can copy and then you can send your Bitcoin here to make your first deposit. Now, very important, you can use promo code Andy50, as you can see here. Use promo code Andy15 and you will get 15% added to your deposit. It needs to be a deposit of over $300 and you will get 15% added to that to pay trading fees. Here in settings, you can choose your language, improve your security with 2FA. You also have your referral program here, so you can refer to some people if you do like this exchange. And also here in support, you have a live chat just in case you had any issues. They will be in contact with you in less than 24 hours. And also here, video tutorials to learn how to use the platform full on here, 100%. Something cool about Magix, they do not have any massive scam wicks, okay? If you analyze some different charts, you can see massive big wicks. This doesn't happen on Magix. As you can see, they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, ADA, Solana. They have a bunch of cryptocurrencies, and there are no scam wicks on this platform. They do support over 100,000 trades per second. Extremely fast, guys. Remember, you got the bonuses down below, and happy trading. So let's take a look at Ethereum, because Ethereum is actually, having this bump and run scenario, and it does look like that this could actually meet the target at $2,200. We're finally kind of breaking out from this major range. Is this a successful breakout? Well, we do not have a huge amount of volume. We only have the CPI volume, as you can see on the chart here, but we having that momentum here to the upside. Are we going to manage to continue up? Well, if Bitcoin does break successfully above that 24.5 big major resistance, it is likely that also Ethereum is going to have massive bullish momentum to the upside. And now the bump and run pattern here that we have been talking about for the last few days, the major target is the top here of the pattern, round about the $2,150, $2,200, as you can see here on the chart. So is this going to happen here on Ethereum? Let me just show you here that if we zoom out, all right, we do have also a major support level at the $2,200 range, which is the top here range of this major pattern. So it is a level where the price could get heavily rejected. Now, very exciting moments. If we do see that breakout on Bitcoin, make sure to analyze the situation on Ethereum, because it's likely every consolidation is going to be an opportunity to hit all the way up here at $2,150, $2,200 range, guys. Not much to add here on Ethereum. Bump and run scenario here playing out to perfection finally. The best entry point would have been here, that 1,300, 1,400 level here, getting that bounce from this major support level. And this was only a couple of weeks ago. This was a pretty nice swing trade speculation for this massive bullish momentum on this bump and run scenario. Guys, this is going to be it for the episode. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash up the like button for the latest news and technical analysis ideas. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website, totally free information down below. Thank you for joining, and I will see you in the next one.